Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sypniewski. Thank you so much for popping by my channel. And today is not a tutorial. It's not a gear review. Today is all about me saying thank you to all of you who have taken the time to come over to my channel, watch my videos, send me thumbs up, and hitting that subscribe button. Because as of today, I have over 2,300 subscribers. And that is just me being completely mind blown by that fact. I can't believe it. Like, to show you how much I can't believe it, I actually did an 86 subscriber giveaway when I did was doing the channel. Can you believe, who does that? Who does an 80, someone who doesn't expect to get 87 subscribers, that's who does that. So reaching this mark, it just means so much to me. It really does. Creating has really changed every aspect of my life. I would come home from work and just be stressed all day long at work, just worrying, how am I gonna pay the bills? How am I gonna make payroll? How's this gonna happen? How am I gonna pay for this? Just nonstop stress and worry. And then you get home and it doesn't stop. You cannot turn your mind off. I would go to bed at 11 o'clock at night and not be able to fall asleep until 2 or 3 in the morning because I can't shut my mind off. I'm just constantly thinking, and it was getting unhealthy. Now I come home from work, it's completely different. I put my stuff down, I grab my gear bag, I'm out at the park, I'm hiking, I'm meeting people who are asking me questions about what that is that I'm holding because they've never seen a gimbal before and they have so many questions, and it's nice to engage with these people. It's nice to answer their questions, and it's really nice to engage with you guys. It means so much to me whenever you come over to my channel, watch one of my videos, and then you leave a sweet comment. It just absolutely makes my day. And even those of you who don't necessarily leave the nicest of comments, but more of, well, let's say constructive criticism, I appreciate those as well. Because, I need that. I just read a comment before I started making this video about how I rushed through the last tutorial, and it was very hard to follow along with what I was doing because I seemed to be bouncing around, and it was not helpful to this person. So thank you. I am going to keep that in mind when I make my next video. I want to be very clear, concise, and easy to follow along. So thank you. I really appreciate every comment. Doesn't matter what it is. I thank you that you've taken the time to at least engage with me and leave something there in the comment section. All right, well, let's talk about the giveaway, shall we? Let's talk about what I'm going to give away to you guys to show my appreciation. So first off, we're going to give away a brand new Viltrox RB10 RGB light. This is a really great piece of gear. I just did a review on this a few weeks ago. It's awesome to have as a hair light or to flood your background with colors. It's a really great light. I also have a bunch of microphones that I'm going to give away. Rode Video Mic Go. I have the 5-Fine wireless lavalier microphone system. I have a Pile microphone I want to give away. I have that Fairboo wireless lavalier microphone. Now listen, that thing is not wonderful, but I don't want to just throw it away. I'm convinced somebody can make really good use of that wireless lavalier microphone. Perhaps put it on Audacity and run a denoiser through it. I'm sure someone is going to be able to use that. I have a phone tripod. I have a phone holder with a mini ring light. If you're someone that does videos with your phone, this thing is going to be really great for you, especially if it's talking heads or you're demonstrating how to put on makeup. That thing is going to be amazing for you. I have the Ulanzi mini LED video light, something else that you can use as a practical light. I have the Boya vlog mic, and I think I have to cheat. Hold on. Yes, and the Yongnuo 50mm 1.8 EF mount lens. And the big thing that I'm going to give away, the big thing is going to be my Lilliput 8-inch field monitor. This thing is great. I use it in all of my videos to make sure that I'm in focus, make sure that the exposure is good. It's a 4K monitor. So when I go out to do video production stuff, I really need something that's a little smaller. When I pictured 8 inches, it didn't seem that big to me, but when I mounted this thing on a friction arm on my tripod, the thing is huge. It's like this. I can't put that on my cage on top of my rig and carry it around. It's just too big. I need something that's more, I think, like 4 or 5 inches would be good. So I really want to get that, maybe the Feel World one. That looks good. We'll have to see. All right, well, let's talk about the rules for the giveaway. Most important part. And please listen to this. I know I say this every giveaway, and there's always someone who doesn't listen. And you know who you are. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, you have to live here in the United States. I can't be shipping this stuff halfway around the world. I'm going to spend more on shipping than I am on the stuff. So you have to be here in the United States, period. If you send me a shipping address that's not in the United States, I'm going to pull someone else's name. Done. Sorry, it's unfair, I know, but gotta be that way. You cannot have won in the last video, so you can't have been a winner in the 600 subscriber giveaway. You have to, of course, be a subscriber. You have to give this video a thumbs up. You have to leave a comment in the comment section below, and your comment must contain the word sunblock. And I think that's about it. If I think of anything else, I will leave it in the comment section below and pin it to the very top so that you have a chance to see it. So once again, I thank you so very much. Your support means the absolute world to me. Thank you very much. Okay, well, you know what I'm going to say now. Until next time, wear your sunblock, and may God bless you.